Hi, I'm Elizabeth with WTI, and if you're looking for a bedspread that's going to give you a cottage living vibe, then check this one out.
This is a 3-piece quilt set, ivory color from the Cozy Line Home Fashion Store. It has a beautiful embroidered design to this quilt. It stays with one color. This is the ivory color, and that way it's easy to mix and match the different rooms and different colors. It also has the beautiful scalloped edges all the way around. This is a queen quilt on a queen bed. If you're looking for that oversized quilt that goes all the way to the floor, you're definitely going to want to size up. What is also great is that not only do you get this quilt, but it's a 3-piece set, so that means that you have matching pillow shams that really bring out the design of the bed. The pillow shams are the envelope kind, which helps securely keep your pillows inside. It is a little bit more of a lightweight, which is perfect. You'll be able to enjoy it in the summertime. In the winter, you might just want to add another blanket underneath. If you're wanting to make your house a little bit more cozy and you're leaning towards that cottage core, but you also want to keep it classy, then this is going to be the quilt for you. It has awesome embroidered design, it has scalloped edges, and it's warm and cozy. So check this one out.
And that's my point of view.